In this video, I'll show you how to check when someone joined a Discord server. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational and content service. Now, for you to be able to see when someone joined the Discord server, you're gonna head over to any server, right? So I'm gonna click on this server. Then I want to check when let me say, okay, when something joined up to this Discord server, right? So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna right click on something profile picture, right? Click on the profile. Once you're done, you're gonna see the second joined option right here, would show you when the person joined up the Discord server, right? So this is when he joined the Discord server, 24th October 2024. So this is how you can check when someone joined the Discord server. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.